Election Commission of India has directed 22 states and union territories including Karnataka to complete preparations for the final phase of the special intensive revision of electoral rolls which is expected to begin in April. In a letter sent to chief electoral officers, the commission said that once this phase is completed, all states and union territories across the country will be covered under the revision process. The states and union territories asked to prepare including Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Ladakh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Delhi, Odisha, Punjab, Sikkim, Tripura, Telangana and Uttarakhand. The Election Commission had ordered a pan-India special intensive revision in June last year following allegations of vote theft raised by the opposition Congress. So far, the exercise has been completed in 13 states and union territories including Assam, which carried out a special revision. The ongoing drive covers nearly 60 crore voters across 12 states and union territories, while around 40 crore voters in the remaining 17 states and 5 union territories are yet to be covered. Bihar has completed its special intensive revision, but the process continues in the other region. The revision has also sparked political controversy. The Election Commission faced legal challenges from opposition parties including West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress, who opposed the electoral roll cleanup in the state. Earlier, the commission claimed it found nationals from Bangladesh, Nepal and Myanmar during Bihar's special intensive revision, though it did not release specific figures or proof. Opposition parties have alleged that the move is aimed to targeting voters not aligned with the BJP or its allies.